Good day everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about simple interest. Simple interest is a basic concept in mathematics that helps us understand how money grows or increases over time, especially when we borrow, lend, or save money. It is the amount of money that is added to the principal or the original amount as a result of borrowing or investing for a certain period of time. In simple terms, simple interest shows how much extra money we earn or pay, depending on how long the money is used. The concept is commonly used in banks, loans, and savings. So understanding simple interest helps us make better financial decisions in real life. Now let's learn more about how simple interest works.
P to principal o ang inutang o investment na pera. R to rate o interest rate bawat taon. T to time o gaano katagal.
Let's say umutang ka ng 5,000 sa loob ng 2 years na may 10% interest per year.
Gamit ang formula na I is equals to PRT, I stands for interest, P stands for principal, R is the rate, T is the time. So, ang interest natin ay 5,000 habang ang rate naman natin is 0.10 habang ang time naman is 2. Gamit ang formula na ito, papalitan natin ang mga given. Pag minultiply natin, ang sagot ay...
So, 1,000 ang interest at 6,000 lahat ang babayaran.
So, let's proceed to the real life examples.
Pahiram naman ako ng pera. Babayaran ko next month.
Sige, okay lang pero may kaunting dagdag ha, parang interest lang.
Oo naman, gets ko. Syempre, utang yan. May dagdag talaga.
Ganito sa totoong buhay, kapag umutang ka, may interest kang babayaran bilang kapalit ng paggamit ng pera ng iba.
This time, mag-iipon naman ako sa bangko.
Good choice, habang nakadeposito ang pera mo, may dagdag din kada buwan. Interest din yan, pero ikaw naman ang kumikita.
Kaya kapag nag-ipon ka na, kumita ka na, simple interest bilang reward sa pagtitipid. Simple interest ay hindi lang basta formula sa math.
Ginagamit natin yan sa utang, savings, at installment payments.
Kaya dapat alam natin ito para marunong tayong humawak ng pera. Simple interest. Simple interest lang pero mahalaga sa araw-araw na buhay.
At yan ang paraan ng pagkukwenta ng simple interest gamit ang formula na I is equals to PRT. Sana ay nakatulong ito para mas madali mong maintindihan kung paano kinukuha ang interest. Thank you for watching and see you next time.